Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Dave's 411. This episode is the last one of 2019. What an amazing year 2019 has been. To me, it was the year of surprises, with the biggest surprise being the success of Dr. Dave's 411. When I first started the channel, I figured I would have a few followers. You know, the usual suspects, my mom, maybe my high school biology teacher, and some of my patients. But not even a year later, we are up to almost 40,000 Facebook followers. I am very humble. Before we start this episode, I want to thank all of you for making this channel a success. What does this mean? There are a lot of crazy people out there. Just kidding. So again, thank you. But remember, we can't stop now. In fact, we are just beginning. So tell all of your friends, family, co-workers, in-laws, and any other people you can't stand about Dr. Dave's 411. Like, follow, and subscribe. Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Okay, now on with this week's episode. I want to talk about a very popular topic this time of year, New Year's resolutions. I am going to break this down into three important areas: food, exercise, and attitude. First, food. Notice, I didn't say diet. I hate the word diet. To me, it is a true four-letter word. I like the term nutrition. So for 2020, when it comes to nutrition, I propose we follow the advice of the best-selling author, Michael Pollan, who states we should eat whole food, not too much, mostly plant-based. Now, most of you know I am a proponent of being mostly vegetarian. But if that doesn't work, even if you get to 75% of plant-based diet, that is still a great start. How about probably the most popular New Year's resolution, exercise? For 2020, my goal is not to exercise a lot, but rather be more consistent. It is really important to exercise consistently, so doing a little is better than nothing. In fact, you can get an amazing workout in 7 minutes. It's called the New York Times 7-minute workout. Look it up and let me know what you think. And finally, attitude. Having the right attitude is absolutely essential when it comes to being healthy. For 2020, I am going to try an even more positive attitude, even when I'm having a really bad day. My trick? Smile. Someone cuts you off on the road? Smile. Someone sneezes near you without covering their mouth? Smile. I know it sounds ridiculous, but if you smile, it releases positive chemicals and reduces your stress level. Let's all try it. Hey, did you guys hear what happened to the man who shoplifted a calendar on New Year's Eve? He got 12 months.
Excuse me.
All right, never mind. Okay, everyone, those are Dr. Dave's 2020 resolutions. What are yours? I would love to hear them, so feel free to put them in the comment section below. Until next year, this is Dr. Dave wishing you and your family a very happy and healthy New Year. See you next year.